Well, I'm just going to quick video on the most common problems that I come across on these clutch assemblies. So I'm just going to undo it. Just take the pressure off gradually so you don't break out. So one major common problem is these springs. Obviously every time they wear. So you need to get your book out, your vernier calipers, and measure the length of them. There'll be a spec in your manual. That's one problem. Another one is your friction plates and your drive plates, or your driven plates, can't remember which way they're called. They can be too thin, so obviously they're worn. So again, get your vernier calipers, measure and check the specs. Same as these, make sure they're the right thickness. You also need to put them on a piece of glass, get your feeler gauges and test for out of shape. They need to be perfectly flat, so check them for warping. If they're warped, obviously they won't work properly. Another major problem is wear on the basket. So if you look down the side of there, you've got wear there, wear on the inside of this inner basket. So if you're getting lumpy wear on the insides of there, or on either side of there, that will cause juddering and just affect the way the clutch works. So, and then lastly, a major problem is these rivets on the bottom. This one is a little bit loose, it's only a millimetre, but it is starting to get loose, so not a lot you can do about that without re-drilling them and re-riveting them. I've never tried that myself. So that's it, I think. Just springs, clutch plate wear and warpage, and then wear and tear on the baskets, and obviously that ring gear looseness on the rivets. So that's it.